mystery deepens when we look at the animal kingdom. Nearly all vertebrates yawn: fish, birds, lions, even snakes. Each species might do it for slightly different reasons. Some monkeys yawn to show dominance or aggression, flashing their teeth as a warning. Penguins yawn as part of their courtship rituals. Dogs sometimes yawn when they're stressed, almost as a way to calm themselves. And if you've ever seen a cat yawn after waking up from a nap, it might be their way of stretching their facial muscles and getting blood flowing. Even babies yawn in the womb, starting as early as 11 weeks into pregnancy, long before they take their first real breath. This suggests yawning is an ancient, instinctive behavior, hardwired into biology long before humans walked the earth.